I was astonished to see those brave men sliding and hanging below the structure of the Skywalk, doing the cleaning. The cleaning of the Skywalk of the Grand Canyon is a process that is done very frequently, and at the beginning, when it was founded more than 20 years ago, the process took a whole week. But now they improved a lot the process internally, and it takes just one working day. If you are lucky that you are there when they are doing the Skywalk cleaning, you would be completely amazed and thrilled.